Okay, so this tool it actually is far easier than use a shovel trying to level the dirt out. And this one I've already put down. It's not even level, so I'm going to actually use a piece here to level this dirt. And it's just as simple as doing this. So you don't have any uneven spots. And if you have any rocks, this will tell you because it'll hit them. Like here's one I'm not going to put a stone there, but you see how it comes out level. So here we're basically level. I'll move that out, that paver out in a second, but my goal is to build this up a little bit, and this is really useful for getting this corner how it needs to be. And that is far, far easier, friends, than using a shovel. So this is a very useful tool. Would definitely recommend obtaining one. So building this hill up a little bit, a small hill. Keep doing this. You can hear I'm going to have to work a rock out right there. But other places where I've got the rock buried and dirt on top, we're good. So it's very, very helpful. Go our results after using that, and this was really handy just to get it all even. Now I need to come back with a little bit of sand and some stuff and just put it on there, but definitely a vast improvement. Got rid of the rocks are sticking up, and everything's even with this tool, and saves a bunch of time and effort. Definitely recommend buying this. Doing a project here with some Lowe's concrete decorative stone. Make a little scenery here, and as we're laying this, you can notice that we've used a stomper to get this Paver Stones fairly level, but we're going to have to come back and add a little bit of dirt and use a level to get it exact. And here we have taken our base and spread it out over where we're going to have these pavers. Spend about a minute here just trying to even it out all good, and trying to keep it pretty level. The next step will be, once again, the paver sand is what we'll do next.